Have you ever felt that annoying tingling, numbness, burning pain, or weakness in your hands or feet? What if I told you your nerves might be crying out for help? Nerve damage, also called neuropathy, is more common than you think. It can be caused by all sorts of things, like diabetes, vitamin deficiencies, stress, inflammation, toxins, or simply aging. But here's the good news, your nerves can heal. And it all starts with what's on your plate. Welcome back to Topic Toss, the channel where science meets simple living. Today's video is extremely important because we're revealing 12 powerful foods that help repair damaged nerves, protect your nervous system, and prevent future nerve problems, all naturally. Make sure you watch till the end, because food number 11 and 12 are absolute game changers for nerve regeneration. Let's dive in! So, why does nerve health matter so much? Your nervous system is like the internet of your body. It controls everything, your movement, what you feel, your memory, your digestion, and even your heart rate. Nerves are coated with a protective layer called myelin. When this layer gets damaged, the signals traveling along your nerves slow down or stop completely. That's why nerve damage can cause pain, tingling, numbness, muscle weakness, and poor coordination. Nutrition plays a critical role in repairing that myelin sheath, reducing inflammation, and restoring nerve signaling. Now let's talk about the foods that do exactly that. First up, at number 1, we have avocados, the myelin repair superstar. Avocados are loaded with healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamin B6, vitamin E, and magnesium. These healthy fats are absolutely essential for rebuilding myelin, that protective nerve coating. Vitamin B6 supports the production of neurotransmitters, which are your body's chemical messengers, while vitamin E protects nerves from oxidative stress. As a quick science tip, studies actually show that a vitamin E deficiency can increase nerve degeneration. So, try to eat about half an avocado daily for optimal nerve support. Coming in at number 2, fatty fish, our omega-3 nerve healers. Think salmon, sardines, mackerel, and tuna. These are all rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA and EPA. What do omega-3 South do? They reduce nerve inflammation, promote nerve regeneration, and improve the transmission of signals between nerves. Here's a little research insight for you. Omega-3 South stimulates something called nerve growth factor, which is a key molecule for nerve repair. So, aim to get fatty fish on your plate 2 to 3 times per week. At number 3, we have eggs, a true vitamin B12 powerhouse. A vitamin B12 deficiency is one of the leading causes of nerve damage worldwide. Eggs are a fantastic source of vitamin B12, as well as choline, which is essential for nerve signaling, and high-quality protein. Low levels of B12 can lead to numbness, memory loss, and even balance problems. Just 1 or 2 eggs a day can significantly support your nerve health. Next, at number 4, are nuts and seeds, which give you a magnesium and antioxidant boost. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds are packed with magnesium, zinc, vitamin E, and omega-3 South. Magnesium is a hero for nerves. It helps relax nerve cells, can reduce nerve pain, and improves electrical signaling. Here's a fun fact. Over 60% of people are actually deficient in magnesium. So, try snacking on a small handful of nuts and seeds daily. Let's move on to number 5, sweet potatoes, which are basically nerve fuel from nature. Sweet potatoes are rich in vitamin B6, beta-carotene, and complex carbohydrates. Vitamin B6 helps nerves send signals properly and prevents their degeneration. Plus, a steady supply of glucose from complex carbs is crucial for giving your nerves the energy they need to function. At number 6, we have leafy greens, packed with folate for nerve repair. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are excellent sources of folate, also known as vitamin B9, along with magnesium and antioxidants. Folate supports DNA repair within your nerve cells and helps regenerate damaged nerves. Here's a quick science note. Low folate levels have been directly linked to peripheral neuropathy. So make sure to add more greens to your soups, smoothies, or stir-fries. Number 7 is garlic, a natural nerve protector. Garlic contains powerful compounds like allicin and sulfur. These compounds work to reduce nerve inflammation, improve blood flow to the nerves, and protect them against oxidative damage. For the best effect, try to use garlic raw or only lightly cooked. At number 8, we have berries, your antioxidant defense shield. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with flavonoids, vitamin C, and polyphenols. These powerful antioxidants protect your nerves from free radical damage and improve the communication between your brain and your nerves. As a bonus, berries also support memory and overall cognitive health. Craving something sweet? Number 9 is dark chocolate, a magnesium and mood booster. Make sure you choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa. It provides magnesium, flavonoids, and iron. It improves nerve conduction, enhances blood circulation, and even helps with stress reduction, which in itself protects your nerves. Just enjoy 1 or 2 small squares, not the whole bar. Next up, at number 10, are citrus fruits, full of vitamin C for nerve blood flow. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits help strengthen blood vessels, enhance oxygen delivery to your nerves, and support the collagen that surrounds nerve tissues. Vitamin C also helps your body regenerate vitamin E, essentially doubling down on nerve protection. Now for one of our game changers, number 11, fermented foods which highlight the gut-nerve connection. Foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut do wonders for your gut health. They also enhance your body's own production of B vitamins and reduce systemic inflammation. Here's a fascinating science insight. Your gut and your nerves are directly connected via the gut-brain axis. A healthy gut truly means healthier nerves. And finally, our number 12 game changer is turmeric, the golden nerve healer. Turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin, which is a powerhouse. It reduces nerve inflammation, protects nerve cells from damage, and even stimulates nerve regeneration. Research shows that curcumin can help repair damaged peripheral nerves. A key tip is to always combine turmeric with a little black pepper to dramatically increase its absorption. Now for a few bonus tips to prevent nerve damage. Make sure you stay hydrated, control your blood sugar, avoid excessive alcohol, get enough sleep, and move your body daily. Food works best when it's paired with healthy habits. Your nerves are not weak, they just need the right nutrients to thrive. Start adding these foods to your diet today, and your body will thank you tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with someone who needs to see it, and subscribe to Topic Toss for more science-backed health videos every week. And comment below which food on our list surprised you the most. Stay healthy, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next Topic Toss video.